If you want to make your life easier and save money on PDF tools, then JOPDF is your go-to solution for handling your daily document tasks in the quickest and most efficient way. I opened the JOPDF app to explore its features, and to my surprise, it turned out to be one of the best PDF applications I've ever used. What impressed me the most is that it's actually free, and unlike many other PDF tools, there are no hidden costs, no premium upgrades required, and no locked features. Everything you need is already available, making it incredibly convenient for students, professionals, freelancers, and businesses who work with documents every day. I started by testing one of the most common tasks, editing a PDF. I opened my document and easily replaced an image inside the file. Then I edited some text within the same PDF, and the process was smooth and incredibly fast. There were no complicated steps, no confusing menus. Everything worked seamlessly. After that, I decided to test another important feature, converting an image into a PDF file. Within just seconds, the app converted my image perfectly into a clean, organized PDF document. The results were instant and professional. This is exactly the kind of efficiency that makes a tool like JOPDF stand out among many other PDF applications available today. As I continued exploring, I clicked on the page management options, and that's where things became even more impressive. With just a few clicks, I was able to merge multiple pages into one document, reverse their order, and even rearrange the pages exactly the way I wanted. This level of flexibility is extremely useful when you're organizing reports, assignments, or business documents. What makes it even better is that many PDF tools charge extra for these page management features, but JOPDF offers them completely free. And honestly, that's something you don't see very often. Another feature that really caught my attention was the ability to split pages according to your needs. Whether you want to extract specific sections of a document or separate large files into smaller ones, the process is simple and quick. While exploring further, I also noticed the built-in document signing option. Being able to sign a document directly inside the software is incredibly convenient, especially for contracts, agreements, or official paperwork. Instead of switching between multiple apps, you can handle everything in one place. And that's what makes this tool so powerful. It brings all the essential document features together in a single, easy-to-use platform. What makes the experience even better is how smooth the software runs. There's no unnecessary lag, no complicated setup, and no distracting ads interrupting your workflow. Everything feels optimized for speed and productivity, which makes working with documents far less stressful. Finally, I explored the watermark feature, which allows you to add a watermark to your documents to keep them secure and confidential. Whether you want to protect your work, add branding, or simply mark a document as private, this feature makes it incredibly easy to do so. Overall, this is what JOPDF offers: a complete, efficient, and user-friendly PDF solution that simplifies your everyday document tasks. From editing and converting files to managing pages, signing documents, and protecting them with watermarks, everything works smoothly in one place. If you're looking for a reliable PDF tool that saves time, reduces hassle, and keeps your workflow organized, I highly recommend using JOPDF. It's designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. And once you start using it, you'll realize how much simpler managing documents can actually be.